back never. Ooh, that's true. That right. She sippin' one wet and yeah, I swear get her wet. My Louboutins new, so my bottom say it's red.
No school tomorrow. Well, actually today. My fault. Today. So it must be a storm or some shit. Go check outside. I'm gonna go check outside right now. I ain't bringing my camera out there, so I don't know how I'm getting that other clip in, but we'll see. Damn. Damn. She already shoveled too. Damn, it's cold. That door. Holy shit. That all happened overnight. That's not a lot of snow, but still, like, I'm gonna wait. You know, I'm gonna wait for all this to melt down, like melt until it's just ice. So it turns like ice, like the steps, and then I'm gonna play in that Jeep out in the snow. This is the second one of 2018. You can see that the decorations aren't there anymore, but it's pretty crazy. Hopefully there's no school tomorrow too, because that means more videos for you guys if there isn't. You already know I ain't cooking no waffles. I'm heating them up in a toaster. Just grab those. Oh, fuck. I gotta hide these. 5-second rule? Nah, I don't know. What should I do with these? My mom's in there wrong. Sorry. Damn, that was a waste of food. Hey, who you know out here got that quadruple, whatever you call it? Alright, ain't nobody got this. It's limited edition right here. So I'm gonna try and make a new intro because, you know, DDG's intro is the one that I'm using. So let me just put this in and see if I can work my magic. If it all works out, then the intro should be on the video that you're watching right now. So I'll see how it goes. Grab these before I start because they finished. So actually I don't feel like doing dishes. Do this napkins. Alright, now let's go make this intro. Just finished the intro. I think it's pretty good for right now. Same as the other one, just different music, and I edited the font and everything. So here it is. That's true. That right. She sippin' one wet and yeah, I swear get her wet. My Louboutins new, so my bottom say it's red. So that handles all the talk about DDG stealing my intro. I didn't steal his, he stole mine. But I'm pretty sure that the a little bit of the snow is gone and it's melted. So we're gonna take the Jeep out and see how it is.
That snow thing should be alright. Which is all ice. It's all ice.
I don't know what he was doing, but all I know is that for these last couple of hours before I have school again tomorrow, I'm gonna play Fortnite because ain't nothing else to do on a snowy day. So I'm just gonna close this video off right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on my video. I didn't do the intro last video, so this is making up for it. And we out. Peace.